Okay, good morning, class. The first thing I need you to do is find this paper right here. Go ahead and pause the video and find your continuity paper. Okay, so now that you found your notes for today, please put your name at the top. The date today is the 29th, whatever period you have. And the topic is going to be continuity and behavior. All right. So continuity, a graph is said to be continuous if there are no breaks or holes. If there are breaks or holes, it is considered to be discontinuous. There are three different types of discontinuity. This right here, this is called infinite discontinuity. Infinite discontinuity is when f of x increases or decreases infinitely as x approaches x equals a from the left or the right. So what that means is this right here. It is discontinuous right here forever going up and down. Another type of discontinuity is called a jump discontinuity. This is when f of x jumps from one point to another at same x equals a. And then the third type is called a removable discontinuity. So a removable discontinuity is when f of x is continuous everywhere except for a hole at x equals a. Okay, so the examples below, it says determine if the function shown on the graph is continuous. If not, identify the type and location. Okay, so number one is obviously a jump discontinuity. Now, we need to identify the type and the location. So the location is right here, and you're going to say at x equals, you got to figure out what x value that is. So it's going to be -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. So there's a jump discontinuity at x equals -5. Number two is obviously continuous. If you can draw the whole graph without having to lift your finger or your pen or pencil, it's continuous. Okay, number three is infinite discontinuity. It is infinite because right here it's discontinuous at this line. Forever goes in each direction. You got to give it the location, and this is at x equals 1. I'm going to pause this. Go ahead and try to do numbers 4, 5, and 6 on your own. Make sure you're writing in pencil so that you can correct your work if need. Okay, so this is what you should have gotten for 4, 5, and 6. So for number 4, it is continuous because you can draw it without lifting your pen. Number 5, there is a hole right here at x equals -3. And then number 6, there are two different types of discontinuity. You've got the infinite discontinuity right here, and you've got a hole. So the infinite discontinuity is at x equals 2, and the hole is at x equals -4.